the kai tātaki kōtero Hali Pitama, no hia koe?
No ngai tau, ngai te rangi, tuharangi, ngā tuahia o me tūwharatua. Aho.
Auwe, te toko maho o ngai iwi kua puta.
Ka pai ko wai tō ingoa.
Jake tonight, Harry.
No ngai tahuia.
No hia.
Kai kāti mahaki.
Ooh, kāti mahaki even. Kāti mahaki in the whare. Ka pai korua, so Hali, what do you think makes a great kapa haka leader?
Just having the support of your group and just being a rangatira and having the manakitanga against them. Yeah.
Ka pai, what about you, Jake? You got a question for him, Mato Piki?
Yes, I have a good question. Who's your favourite tutor?
Mato Piki's a kaiako at Tuahimi School. Is that a hard question, Jake?
Yeah, Mato Rangi.
Okay, is there anything that you guys want to say?
We'd just like to thank our kapaka tutor, Maturangi, with all his hard work into our group and just all the other kaiko and our group overall. Without them, we wouldn't be here.
Have you got anything to add to that, Jake?
Not really, just thanks everybody who's helped us out. And, yeah.
What about one last shout out for the night? Who you wanting any shout out?
Yeah, all my mates, my nana, over there, all my mates, my nana, my kuro, my family, yeah, taua, auntie, cousin, epicars, wherever you are, yeah, so Carol.
Okay, that's enough thank yous. What about you, Jake? Any thank yous?
Just my mum and my stepdad somewhere out there.
Oh, ka pai whānau. So let's go back into your roku. We are about to introduce the kapa tuakana o Tuahiwi. The goal for this bracket is to revive and bring back to the forefront of our minds the waiata of Tuahiwi, which were composed by local members of the pā, given to the pā, or even songs which are popular here and need to be maintained. The whakaeke, Waiata Tira, Nei Rā Te Kaupapa, composed by Te Kautu Ka Houtu Maxwell. This waiata talks about holding on to our language as a gift from our ancestors.
Ko te mō tētea. Kei Tamanui, this song belongs to the Brennan whānau and has been in absence for some years in the pā. It speaks of significant areas throughout Te Waipounamu, South Island, and highlights the Pounamu trails.
The Waiata Aringa, a favourite for Whaia Helen Taylor Young, Tuahiwi e, a very well-known waiata throughout the motu and a crowd favourite, no doubt, so sing along.
Ko te poi, He Manu Hou Aho, composed by the very...
Be careful, my husband's here.
And this waiata is about the birds, and the purpose of the waiata is to expose these types of whakatauki to the tamariki.
And the haka te mana o Tuahiwi, composed by Rangi Tūtengaihi. This haka outlines the mana of Tuahiwi, important tupuna, prominent areas nearby in the pursuit of knowledge.
Ko te whakawātea e tuku ana, composed by Auntie Hutika, a beautiful waiata which tracks our Ngai Tahu whakapapa beginning from our East Coast origins.
So whānau, for the last group on stage tonight, let's put our hands together for Tuahiwi.
Let's raise the roof.